Hi, this is I purchased the Toxic Dutch Angel Dragon from WildvsKings, and this is my unboxing. I already pre-cut it. Got a bandana. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Stitching. So cool. And it says glitter. Oh, so awesome. I just bought the head. I didn't buy anything else yet, but I plan to. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's awesome. So nice. It's a spray bottle. Ooh. It's vanilla. Shampoo for spraying. Bunch of business cards. They're cute. Look at that. Okay. Now for the head. Oh, he's so gorgeous. Oh my god. Look at him. So cute. Look at his tongue. Oh. So gorgeous. Look. His ears. So pretty. It's got glitter fur. Let's put him on. Oh, it's nice to see out of too. This is my first time actually wearing a fursuit head too. So it's a little new for me. Ah, look at his eyes and his nose. This is awesome. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Okay. Get down. Well, I named him Nightshade too, because I kind of reminded me of, well, morning glories and other nightshades, and they're poisonous. Toxic dragon, I thought it kind of matched. He's so cute. Look at his teeth. They're so cute. So
TVs.
Alright, well, that's all I have, so don't mind me, I'm in my pajamas. I ran to the post office seeing that he was here and went to pick him up. So that's it. I will be making more videos with Bing and him, so look forward to that.